Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can add a drop-down menu to Squarespace. In order to add the navigation drop-down menu, you have to come into the pages under the main navigation, click on the plus icon, come down to more. And as you can see under more, you have the drop-down option here. So click that. I'm just going to call that something like Discover. And then under here, you will add the pages you want to have under the drop-down menus. You can add all of these pages if you like. I'm just going to add a blank page. So let's just add a blank page. So let's just call this About, and let's also add another page, which we'll call About 2, for example. Do that, and then come into the home page again and hover under the Discover, and you can see that we have both the About page and also the About 2 under the Discover that we just made. That was just a quick tutorial on how you can add a drop-down menu to Squarespace. If you found it useful, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.